Hey there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. My name's Christina, and today I am just going to do a little bit of stuffing into my savings challenges for this month here in January. So let's get right into it. So I have here in front of me my different savings challenge wallets. So I have my 100 envelope savings challenge right here, which we are not going to be stuffing in this video, but I did recently do a video adding some more cash to my 100 envelope savings challenge. So I'll leave that linked up here and down below if you want to check that out. But the savings challenges that we are going to be stuffing in today's video is my Money Monday savings challenge and also my monthly savings challenge that I will be doing throughout the course of the year. So I did a little walkthrough of my savings challenges as well, and I will definitely leave that linked down below in the description too if you're curious about these savings challenges. But I have some cash that I have set aside here from, oh, it got a little thread coming off on this little pouch. All right, I'll cut that off later. But I have some cash set aside from my last budget and cash stuffing that I knew that I would want to use for my savings challenges. So I will just go ahead and get that out. And this is going to allow me to do my Money Monday savings challenge as well as my monthly savings challenge. Got the cash in there. It's not going to be much because I'm just doing a week and a day, but hey, let's go for it. So for my monthly savings challenge, I'm doing my Let It Snow savings challenge. So with this one for week 1, I needed to save $4 per day. And what I did for week 1 was just take all of that money out of my gas cash envelope, because right now I'm actually not really driving my car much because I need to get a new one. The transmission is failing, so I knew that I would be able to use that gas money and put that towards my savings challenge instead of trying to pull it from my other variable envelopes as well. And that's how I like to do my savings challenges. I like to pull money that I've allocated to different areas, my variable spending, and that's how I fund my savings challenge. And I do it that way because it gets me to spend less money and truly take money that I would have spent and put it towards savings and still be able to effectively save towards my sinking funds and not disrupt that. And then the money that I save in my savings challenges, I will apply that to my bigger goals, my sinking funds as well. So it really helps me to double, triple my efforts when it comes to saving money and really helps me to achieve results that way. So I'm going to be filling in all of week 1 here. So $4 per day for 7 days. That's a total of $28 that I need to get into my Let It Snow savings challenge. And I do have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So that fully covers my Let It Snow savings challenge. So I'm gonna color this in off camera just because I want to be able to let it have time to dry, but I will put the cash right in here and then I will be ready to do week 2. All right, so then the last one that I'm going to do is my Money Monday savings challenge, and I have this here in my A7 sized wallet, and I'm doing month 1 right now, and I just had the first Monday of January pass, so I just need to save $1 for my Money Monday savings challenge for month 1, and that's exactly what I have here. So I got that there in the envelope, and I'll also color this in off camera so that it can have time to dry. But that's that. $29 has gone into my 2 savings challenges, and we are off to a great start here in 2025. If you have any questions about how I do savings challenges, about the savings challenges that I'm doing, or if you want to share some of the savings challenges that you are doing this month or this year, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you put a like on it. Don't forget to get subscribed. I'd absolutely love to have you here. I'll be sharing plenty of videos of my own budget and cash envelope system, as well as some tips, tricks, and information to help help you make your money thrive in 2025 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.